Artificial grass is revolutionizing UK gardens by providing a practical, low-maintenance solution. It saves homeowners from muddy lawns and endless mowing, offering a beautiful green space that drains well and withstands heavy use from children and pets. Today's artificial turf mimics real grass closely, with better infill and drainage to eliminate odors and ensure quick drying. It's ideal for small urban gardens, shaded areas, and unconventional layouts, making it a versatile choice for any backyard. The installation is key. Proper drainage and a strong base are essential for longevity. With minimal upkeep, artificial grass is perfect for busy lifestyles while enhancing the curb appeal of your home. The cost-effectiveness and ease of maintenance make it a smart investment in both lifestyle and aesthetics. By choosing artificial grass, you can enjoy your outdoor space all year round, without the hassle of traditional lawn care.